Boy, have I procrastinated. Hey guys, my name is Darren. Welcome to my channel, and today we're packing for my sister's bachelorette trip in a few days in New York. So let's see if we can put 7 days of outfits into one carry-on bag. I have my own suitcase, but I'm borrowing my boyfriend's because mine's a soft case and his is a hard case. So let's get it out. Suitcase secured. Pink cubes, yeah. So back in the day, before I was a world traveler, I used to just pack everything. And now I've really optimized my packing, so I know I gotta get the cubes, and I pack based on the outfit. So I am going to plan out my exact outfit for my exact day and activity instead of just bringing a whole bunch of random things that may not even go together. I'm also the type of girly pop that puts everything on my bed, and so I can organize it really nicely in my suitcase. Day one is tomorrow, and it's the plane fit. So I'm gonna be flying and then the airport for like 7 hours. So we want something comfy. However, I hate leggings. I hate anything that's tight to my skin, but it can get really cold in airports. So I want to make sure I still have pants, but I don't want to wear sweatpants because I don't want to look like a bum. So I'm going to wear this cute little jumpsuit, and then I'll probably pair it with either a jean jacket or like a zip up hoodie. So this is not going in the bag, but this is the plane fit. Next up, we got our Saturday fits, and I'm going to need 2 outfits for this day. First thing we're doing is line dancing during the day in Nashville. So I got some jean shorts and a cute little brown top that I never wear, but I feel like this is kind of country. I don't know. Anyways, that is going to be the line dancing fit, but we're also going out, and the theme for the first night of the Bachelorette is black and sparkles. So I have 2 options. I either have this cute little fringe top that I bought from a thrift store, Kiki Thrifts, or I have this fringe dress that I wore for Halloween and my friend's decades party. So I'm going to bring both options. This top is very cropped. I don't like showing this much skin. So maybe I will feel comfortable wearing this, or maybe I will wear uber high jeans. I'm going to bring the uber high jeans. Next is Sunday, and on Sunday, me and my sister bought matching shirts for all the girls in the bachelorette party. So with that, I'm just going to wear jean shorts. Already packed my jean shorts. And Sunday night, whatever I don't wear Saturday night, I'm wearing Sunday night. So we're all set there. Next is Monday, and Monday is another plane day from Nashville to New York. So let's find another plane fit. Upon trying to find another plane fit, I realized that I'm not that girl all the time. So I think that we're just going to do oversized hoodie, stealing from my boyfriend, little sports bra shirt, and biker shorts moment. For the next plane fit. To be super safe with options, I am going to bring 1 extra white tank, 1 extra black tank, and 1 black bodysuit that I can interchange with all of my pants and outfit options so I have more outfits. Tuesday in New York. Bestie boo, we're going to hit up the gym. Soul cycle. So, gonna bring biker shorts, sports bra set. And don't forget, I'm going to bring a billion pairs of undies and a nude and black bra option for all the outfits. And I'm also going to bring, where are they at? I have these little pasty flower things. They're my favorite. I wear them a lot in outfits where you can't show the back. But yeah, those, I can link those in my bio if you're interested. Also, don't forget socks, pajamas, and I'm bringing a leather jacket because that's like my go-to jacket with everything. Back to Tuesday in New York. It was my request to just like chill, so I'm going to bring these. And I will pair this with just a white tank option that I already have packed. And then Tuesday night is the Paramore concert. Whoop, whoop. So I plan on wearing these bad boys again. probably with my black bodysuit because I'm basic. I actually decided to bring one more pair of jeans. Or do I want to bring... Yeah, one more pair of jeans. That could be like country or Paramore concert. In case me and Marissa end up doing something, I'm going to bring this black skirt. It's long and cute, kind of mid-rise, and I'll wear it with my black cropped or with a graphic tee. So I'm going to throw in a graphic tee, throwing it in, do fanny pack, and then I have a little clear bag that I can bring to the concert because I'm not sure if they have a bag policy. I almost forgot a bathing suit. That would have been so bad. That would have been so bad. Sunday, we're doing pool and games for the Bachelorette, so I need a swimmy. Ugh, I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. Just gonna pack all my clothes and wish for the best. Hope for the best. Still need shoes, makeup, toiletries. So right now I have all the clothes on this side, 2 pairs of shoes, and I'm going to wear my white sneakers. Now that my carry-on bag is all packed, we got to pack my book bag. And I still need to pack my jewelry. I don't want to forget anything. A Nash Bash itinerary. So I printed out an itinerary and a welcome sign. So those are going in the backpack. This huge cow backdrop for pictures. Balloon decorations. I'm so mad at Amazon. Me and my fam, we keep it classy up in here, Bachelorette style. And I went to Amazon and I didn't want anything that was, inappropriate, if you catch what I'm putting down for a Bachelorette. And I found decorations, and I specifically picked these decorations, insert picture here, because I thought, oh my God, look at these cute little cowboy boots and cowboy hats with LED lights. Wow, LED lights. I got the package, not cowboy hats with LED lights. This is what came in the mail. I have been bamboozled. Bamboozled. Gotta pack my book for the plane. All the bride stuff. Can't forget all my Michael faces. Gotta love Michael. We love Michael. I will be putting my brush in my backpack. They're my favorite things ever. My sister got me this. You can either use it for jewelry or you can use it. I have things labeled. Cough drops, Tum, Benadryl, ibuprofen, my medication, and I stick Band-Aids in between because the dogs be barking. I really hope I'm not forgetting anything, but I'm also gonna pack up my chargers right before I go. I'm gonna pack up my little microphone so I can vlog, and my tripod as well. So thanks for watching. So have a great day. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a great day and explore some more.